by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Sacramento Police Department. The Sacramento Police Department was involved in a shooting with Albert Dean Wheeler. Wheeler has been described as a 50-year-old white male, 5 foot 8 inches tall, weighing 180 pounds, brown eyes, and bald head. Wheeler was last seen wearing a gray tank top, black shorts and black shoes. Wheeler is considered armed and dangerous and may be in possession of a firearm. The suspect is driving a tan 2013 Chevy Silverado, California temporary license plate AL30421. If seen, call 911.